In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from Shopify. We'll walk through where to find your billing settings, how to replace a card on an active store, when the delete option appears, and the important limitation that prevents full removal unless you deactivate your store. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head to Settings and then choose Billing. This is the central place where your subscription, invoices, and payment methods live. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing so you can see and change payment details. If your store has an active plan, Shopify requires that at least one valid payment method is on file. That means you can't simply delete your only card while the store is active. Instead, you'll replace it. In the billing section, click Update Payment Method. You'll be prompted to add a new credit card or connect PayPal. Enter the new details carefully and ensure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Then set this new method as the primary payment method and save your changes. This switches your store's future charges to the new card or PayPal account. Once the new payment method is successfully added and set as primary, look for your old card in the list. If Shopify now shows a remove or delete option next to that older card, go ahead and delete it. If you don't see the option, that usually means the system still needs at least one method on file for the active plan, or that there's only one method available. In short, with an active store, you can replace the card and sometimes remove the old one after the replacement, but you cannot fully clear out all payment methods. Here's the key limitation: you cannot fully remove a card if your store has an active plan. Shopify needs a primary payment method to keep your subscription running and to pay any outstanding charges. If you need to completely delete your card from Shopify, you must deactivate your store. To do this, go to Settings, then Plan, and choose Deactivate Store. Confirm the prompts carefully. Deactivating your store will remove your store and all payment details from the account, so only proceed if you're finished with the store and understand the consequences. To recap, with an active store, you can only replace your card. To fully delete a card, you must deactivate the store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.